Want to know the secret habits of highly successful people? Let's dive into the 7 habits that can change your life. Habit number 1: be proactive. Take charge of your life. Don't wait for problems to arise, solve them yourself. Habit number 2: begin with the end in mind. Have a clear vision, know where you want to go, and set a clear goal for your life. Habit number 3: put first thing first. Prioritize what matters, don't waste time, focus on what's most important. Habit number 4: think win-win. Find solutions where everyone benefits. Shift from a self-centered mindset to a cooperative one. Habit number 5: seek first to understand, then to be understood. Listen first, then speak. Master the art of communication by understanding others first. And habit number 6: synergize. Work together, achieve more by collaborating with others rather than working alone. Habit number 7: sharpen the saw, keep improving. Focus on physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual growth for continuous development. Remember, the habits you build today will shape the success you shall see tomorrow. Start now, and your future self will thank you. Which habits will you start working on today? Drop a comment below and follow for more tips on self development.